Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard mango step by step. Start by gathering ripe mangoes, whole eggs, sugar, milk, and pure vanilla extract so everything is ready. Slice mango flesh carefully and set aside for puree in slices. Warm the milk gently and whisk eggs with sugar until smooth. Temper the eggs with warmed milk, then cook slowly until custard thickens. Cool slightly before folding in mango puree. Whisk eggs with sugar until smooth and slightly pale, then warm milk on low heat until steam rises, but it does not boil. Slowly pour a small stream of warm milk into the egg mixture while whisking to temper the eggs and prevent curdling. Return the tempered mixture to the pan and cook gently over low heat, stirring constantly, until it coats the back of a spoon and reaches a silky custard consistency. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's handy when you're in the kitchen or tasting custard. I like keeping it nearby so I don't reach for sugary drinks while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Puree half of the mango flesh until smooth, leaving some slices for garnish, and let the custard cool slightly before mixing. Fold the mango puree into the cooled custard gently so the texture stays creamy and not runny. Spoon the mixture into serving dishes, top with reserved mango slices, and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours so flavors meld and the custard firms up for easy serving and a refreshing finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.